How to use Threads' new quote and reply feature. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will be teaching you how you can use Threads' new quote and reply features. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. So let's dive right in. To use Threads' new quote and reply features, make sure that you have the updated version of Threads. If you already do, you can open it up. And after you open it up, make sure you're logged in into your account. After that, first let's see how you can quote a post. So quoting a post allows you to share other person's thread while adding your own commentary. So find the post, tap on the repost icon, that is 2 arrows in a circle, and after you tap on it, a pop-up menu will open up and you'll need to select quote. After you select quote, you'll need to type in what you want. Then after you type whatever you want, then tap on the post option. After you tap on the post option, the post will get quoted. You can go to your profile icon on the bottom right. Then after that, you can find the reposts section, or you can find it in your own threads as well. And that's how you quote a post. To reply to a post, you'll need to locate the post you want to reply at. So let's head over to the very same post. And after you're here, you'll need to enter your reply in the text field. Let's tap on the reply icon, that is a speech bubble. Then you'll need to type in a reply. You can tap on reply to username, whichever username that you want to reply to. Then type in whatever you want. And after that, you can tap on the post option. You'll also find the reply option. Tap on reply option. And you can see who can reply and quote. So you can play around with this if you want. I'll just head back and tap on post after you're done with replying. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you use Threads quote and reply features. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye. Take care.